forward, fingers to the floor.
Yeah.
See how far you can go. And then up. And backwards. Left. Right. Stand with your heels, toes up. Stand with your toes, heels up. Okay, can you sit?